welcome back to my channel, ladies and genitals. Okay, okay. No, it's too chocolatey. I don't. Not as I expected the taste to be. It feels like, why did I take this flavor? I should have taken the latte. I was going to take the chai latte, but this, I shouldn't have done this. Instant regret. Like, no, I didn't want. Okay, but since I have opened it and it's not that bad, anyways. It's not that bad. Yeah. So, in today's video, we will be talking about how to let go of control over a specific person, situation, outcome, you name it. There are a lot of things that we want in our lives to go in our ways. We want that specific outcome, that specific pattern, that specific I wouldn't say you want that specific person back. You at this point you want that specific pattern back. Okay? And just imagine you are typing in the Google and like, I want my specific pattern back. I want my specific pattern. You. I mean, like, you sucks. I just got a pimple. That's not my mole. That's a pimple. Okay. Yeah, and I didn't do anything. It's like this just came out by itself. These are my moles. Like this. I have a lot of. Recently, I just got a lot of moles here and there. I need to sit down for real. But isn't this view, the lighting is better here? I mean, like, it's better here. So, anyways, without wasting any of our time, let's jump into the video. Let's jump into my bed. So, first things first. What is the channel message that I'm getting right now? God. Okay, so yesterday I was just getting like an outburst of ideas in my head. Okay, just when I went to take a nap in the afternoon, I was like, dude, hold up. You my brain is like, if I don't shut it down, if I don't give it the command, like I literally have to say to myself before I sleep, to my subconscious mind, you need rest. Okay, you need rest to chase after your goals, man. Just go to sleep. I mean, like, you are allowed to take rest as and when it's necessary for you, and that's healthy also, because if you don't allow yourself to take the rest, how will your body manage to work properly throughout the day? Like, it can't. It will stop functioning. It will malfunction. So before malfunctioning, you guys, okay, this is too good. I will just have it in one sip, like the whole. Okay, so what was I going to talk about? Yeah, I got this outburst of ideas about letting go not letting go, I mean like stop controlling things, okay, to be your way, to be in a certain form or shape that you want them to be, okay. There's so much power when you just, instead of figuring things out, when you just let go and just go to sleep, take a nap, take a break. Yeah, what happens is the answer comes to you naturally in silence. The answer doesn't comes to you when you are looking for it, like actively you are searching for it, like you're stressing yourself out, you're not sleeping well at night, you are not, you know, chasing constantly. For me it's like I'm a very action oriented person, so immediately if I get an idea, I'm like, I need to take action, I need to take action, I need to do this, I need to do that. But yesterday I was like, I just allowed myself to, like, you know, just take a nap. It's okay to take a nap, because it's only when I give myself the rest that my body desperately it needs, that the things that when I let go of that perfectionism ki okay, just need to take action and make it, say it this way, or make a video, or just go out and buy something, like I need to buy this or that. When it comes to I feel like I need to buy this or that, I need to go in this place or that place, that's my intuition. Like when I feel like I am getting drawn or called to go somewhere, like in some places, like, have you heard that quote, like some things are just waiting for you to unfold when you visit that place. So when I feel drawn towards doing something, that's usually my intuition, I know that. But yeah, when I'm talking about I need to buy this, I need to have this product, or I need to buy this food item or whatever specific, like all those are my desires though, and desires are very powerful as well, because it helps you to take actions and achieve whatever you want to achieve. But intuition on the other place, it's like it's different in a lot of aspects. Like your intuition will tell you to do crazy things which half of the times you don't even know, you can't, like, no, you can't even make sense out of it, okay, as to why I need to do these certain things. Or just, you know, instead of making a video, my intuition was like, just go to snap, just take a break, it's fine. It was like that, because it knew at that point that if I don't give myself that rest and sleep, basically I needed that sleep. So whatever I'm going to say or talk about in this video is not going to be, you know, perfect. But rather, when I actually take a break, I sit in silence, or maybe I just go to shut down my brain for a while and just go to sleep. That's when the answer comes to me. Like, that's the answer that comes in that peace, in that stillness, when I just shut everything off. Like, I will not watch my phone, I will not drink my coffee, I will not do anything, like literally just do nothing, and just sit with yourself in silence for few minutes. Like after 30 minutes, the answers and amount of ideas and will come to your mind, like it's a surge of energy that flows inside your brain. So yesterday I was also watching this video, and in that video the professor was saying, like, when you just, most of the human beings can't even sit quiet or still for like 30 minutes. Okay, that's the hardest and most challenging task for all human beings. But the person who can actually like sit with themselves doing nothing, like literally no mobile, no devices, no drinking coffee, no taking cigarettes, no watching anything else, not doing just anything. Like you're not performing for anyone, okay? Right now you're just being in the moment, like being present. You can say in a state of flow as well, because when we are in a state of flow, things just happen naturally. Like you are allowing things to exist as it's meant to be, right? You are not trying to you like no, it should happen this way, it should happen, go this way or that way. You're not doing or controlling anything. You are just letting things take its course without any interference, right? And what happens is, all the questions that you have been looking the answers for, the answers to your questions comes to you exactly in that moment of silence. Like when you just completely stop thinking anything, any random things or whatever, just stop your brain. Like don't think of anything in that moment of silence, okay? Just don't think anything. Like be like a null, like a void. Like you know how black hole is in the universe. I'm not telling you to be a black hole and suck people's energy out. I'm not saying that. Don't mistake my words or twist my words into that, okay? Please. I'm telling you to just, don't think of any person, any place, any situation, anything that happened to you throughout the day. Just don't think about the past, about the future, don't think anything. And try to sit like that for 30 minutes and just you see, okay, you mark my words, just see the amount of answers for almost every problem that you have been trying to solve, but you couldn't solve the problem. But so you will get all the answers, okay? That's what I mean to say. Because half of your problem is already solved when you like briefly note it down, take a notebook and just write very specifically and clearly what is the problem about, what is exactly going on, what is exactly going on, okay? Why is this happening, like the cause. Now what can be done comes in the solution part. And what can be done, the solution part will come to you when you just stop thinking of anything else, anyone else, or even about the problem. Just give your brain the time to rewind. Your brain works really fast and really like, I don't know, like a high-tech machine or something. When you just stop thinking or doing anything, and that's when the answer comes to you. You will try to find 100 ways to solve the problem, but the problem won't be solved. But exactly when you let go of everything, when you're just like, I don't have to understand, or I don't have to figure out or understand every single thing, there is peace in recognizing that I'm just allowing things to be as it is. Like it is a form of acceptance, of not forcing things to be how you want to be. So, and letting things happen and unfold naturally gives you the answer that you have been looking for. So trust me, half of your problems, like half of the equation is solved here itself. So yeah, that's all. Nobody has got their entire life or shit figured out. Not even you. Even if you try to figure your future, your 2 years, 5 years from now, where you will be. Like, I'm not saying it's unrealistic to think about that, or I'm not saying you shouldn't think about it at all. It's good to have, plans for your success and growth. It's good to have goals to achieve, but try to think about the things that are you are doing in this moment, like in today, like in the present moment, instead of thinking so far ahead, because you never know, things are so unpredictable, and certain things may not happen exactly as you expect them to be, right? This world is not going to, live up to your expectations. So whatever you think